Okay, good morning, good afternoon. We're going to be talking about reflection today. Going to here, you need to reflect the picture according to the following rules. We will have 3 new pictures. The first reflection, you need to reflect your picture first across your y-axis. Plot your points and draw your picture. The second is going to be then across your x, reflecting that first reflection. So you're going to have your points here. So I'm going to do my work like this, rotations. Oh, no, not rotations, sorry. Writing at the top, reflection. So to reflect these across, if I cross them, or what, you can do this 2 different ways. You can see that this is -5 to the left of your y-axis. So I'm going to go to the right 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this point would just be reflected. Instead of 5 to the left, it's going to be 5 to the right. Now, an easier way that some people might find to do it is to write down your points. -7, 14, -10, 6, and -5, 11. And if you're crossing your y stays the same. So 9, 14, 6, and 11. Sorry. Oh. Okay, and then you change your x's to the opposite. So if it's negative, it becomes positive, and vice versa. So instead of -11, it becomes positive.
Good morning. Can I please have the following students today?
Okay, so I did that quickly, just changing all the x's to the opposites. And then I could go and just plot those points. So I already have the 5, 11. I would have to do 11, 9. 2, okay, 7, 14, and 10, 6. Okay, and then I could draw my picture. Now the next one is we are reflecting our first reflection across our x-axis. So reflect your first reflection. That means these points right here, and then you're going to reflect those ones across. So I just rewrote my numbers, or my points, and now I'm going across my x. So when I go across whichever axis, those numbers stay the same. So 11 stays the same, 7, 10, and 5. Now, all of the y's change to its opposite. So if it's positive, it becomes negative. Okay, and then I'm going to go plot those points. Sorry. So I have 11, -9. I have 7, -14, 10, -6, and 5, -11. Okay. So if I see my shape, this one is reflected across to here. Okay, so for my third translation, the last part, it says, reflect your second translation across your y-axis, plot your points, and draw your picture. So again, I'm going to write the last points that I had, -6, 5, -11, and then again, now my last one is going across my y, so my y's stay the same. So negative 9, negative 14, negative 6, negative 11. So
This is Catherine. Please call 3001.
all of the x's become the negative. So negative 11, or the opposite, sorry. And that will be in this quadrant, every single one of those points. So negative 11, 9, negative 7, 14, negative 10, 6, and 5, negative 5, negative 11. There we are. And then we can draw our picture later using maybe a outline. But that is reflection.